Let's have a look at Excedify's technical drawing tool, or 2D CAD tool, which is available online completely for free. You don't need any registration, you don't need to enter any data. Or what you need to do is to go to tools.exedify.com/2D-CAD, and you will have this page open. And the purpose of this tool, it was basically developed for our Excedify students to be able to use it to solve their assignments. So they can use it to insert GD&T specifications and also create technical drawings for the purpose of assignments. But you can basically use it for anything. You can use it for if you have an existing technical drawing and you would like to add some annotation to it, like a surface roughness, a datum target, a feature control frame from GD&T. You can definitely upload your drawing as a background using this button here, upload image, and you can start to annotate it. And in fact, let's see how that works here. So here by zooming, I can zoom in and out on the drawing, and then I can use the pan button up there to move the drawing. Let's say I want to add here a feature control frame. So I would say I want a flatness. There's no diameter. The value is 0.1, and there's no modifier, and the datum is A and B. Let's say that, and let's enter it. Enter tick here, and here it is. Now we need to add a line. In the line format section, we can choose the thickness and the type of the line. So we have continuous line, continuous thin line for dimensions, and dashed line for hidden lines, and a thin line, a thin dashed line, and a centered line. So let's go with continuous thin line. I'm gonna do it like this, and I use this cross to snap everything vertically or horizontally. Yeah, it's done visually, and I add an arrow to that surface, and here you have your feature control frame. Let's say I want to add here a datum of the datum A. So what I'm going to do is use line and keep it at continuous thin line, and extend this one, extend that one that far, then add dimension, and I will also add a text here, and I will type in Alt 0126, sorry, Alt 0216 here to get the diameter sign, and let's say it's 5 millimeters, and say okay, and then I'll move it right there. That's here you have your dimension. Let's pan. Okay, and now we need to add the datum. So here it lets you choose the direction of the datum symbol. So let's say in that case I want it to be going down, and the symbol is A, and I add it. So I go here to the dimension line and I put the same, that become A. If I'm not satisfied with the position, I can still move it up and down. If you would like to add it with a different orientation, you can of course do that. Let's erase that using that button. Yeah, so that's basically what you can use to annotate existing technical drawings. What you can do is clear everything and start with a fresh white drawing, and you can start adding lines, and you can create a technical drawing from scratch. So here, let's say I want that rectangular shape, and on that view it would look like that, and I have a circle maybe there and another one. Let's add the center cross for that circle so that I can use my cursor to align it to align the other circle to the center, and I can also use it here to align it to the same dimension. Again, it's at a center cross, and now we can project your hidden lines for, so this patched line thin, we can add here hidden lines for the holes in that view. As you see, it's pretty simple it doesn't have a lot of features. It's definitely still in development. It is the first version, but there's a lot more features that we plan to implement. But it's completely free. You don't need to register. You don't need to log in. It runs on the front end. So these are also some advantages. All right, so now I created those lines, and now I want a center line. I can also align it here to the center line of the circle above. So it's basically the same procedure that you would do if you just have a pencil and a ruler and a piece of paper. That's how you would make technical drawings.